Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go not opening. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go not opening, you should just go to settings as you see and we click. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Monopoly Go and we click. Then this list of app info you will click on force stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of problems or issues on your phone or on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.